Historic Vendôme Square was the venue where lab-produced eco-friendly diamonds were recently exposed. Manuel Mallen, who co-founded Courbet in 2018, briefed the guests on eco-friendly diamonds that the company produces by utilizing gold used in electronic devices such as mobile phones and computers.
Portable, ordinateur. Il y a plus d'or au-dessus de la Terre qu'en dessous de la Terre, on le sait déjà. Autant le réutiliser. Et ensuite, on utilise des diamants un peu particuliers. Et ce que les gens savent moins, et ce qui nous a convaincus aussi, c'est que Gustave Courbet, en 1871, il est communard. Cette période un peu anarchiste de la vie politique parisienne. Et il est assez haut placé dans la commune. Et c'est lui qui...
Manuel Mallen held that the jewelry houses on the Vendôme Square knew that their products had damaged the environment and the time had come for change. He informed that to get 1 carat diamond, 250 tons have to be mined, about the weight of 3 Airbus planes. Environmentally friendly diamonds produced by Courbet in the lab have essentially the same optical, physical, and chemical properties as mined diamonds. The visitors keenly observed and learned about the gems produced by means of eco-friendly technology. Models exhibited lab-grown diamonds on the occasion.